User instructions. 1. Handle installation guide. Remove the 2 screws from the side of the door. Align the handle with the door's screw holes and secure it with 2 screws. 2. Main unit introduction. 1 door. 2. Ice making and its water tank assembly. 3. Ice tank. 4. Operation panel. 5. Air outlet. 1 water draining port. 2 water inlet port. 3. Installation of water draining pipe. Pull out the drain cap of the draining port. Connect the drain pipe to the draining port using the fasteners to tighten. For installation of water inlet pipe, remove the clipper first, fully insert the pipe, and then reinstall the clipper. 5. Operation instructions. As soon as the power is plugged in, the display window will light up. Press the on and off buttons on the control panel. The ice making procedure begins. First, the water shortage symbol will be on. Once there is enough water running through the machine, it will go off. Press plus and minus buttons on the control panel to adjust the ice thickness. The range is from -6 to +6. Press the timer button into time setting mode. Then press the plus and minus buttons on the control panel to adjust time. The setting range is from 1 hour to 24 hours. When the unit is running, it can set up the timing for shutdown. When the unit is in standby mode, you can set the unit with on timer. After connecting all of the water pipes, powering on the machine, press Time to Clean button on the control panel for more than 5 seconds. To enter the self-cleaning program, you can press the on and off buttons to cancel the program. When the ice storing cabinet is full of ice cubes, this symbol keeps on and the unit will stop the ice making process. The machine will be making ice again when you take out the ice.